Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Mohammed Sanaul. I come back with another good video for the Fiverr less competition gigs, and from these less competition gigs you can earn more dollars from those keywords and those gigs. Without further delay, let's get started with the first one. Our first gig is graph designing. So you have to make graph for your customer as per their requirement. As we can see, 81 services available on this keyword. So simply copy, go to the Canva, paste it here. Simply write graph or graph designing. It will show you lots of designs. So here is graph. So as you can see, lots of graph here. It depends which type of a graph your clients required. So as per the requirement, you can make graph and send it to your client. Let's jump to the second one. Second one is class schedule design, and just 6347 services available. So simply go to again canva.com and paste the keyword class schedule design and click on this. Now tons of varieties are available on class schedule design. So simply pick up the good one and add it for your client and forward it to your client. Let's jump to the third one. Third one is chart design. Okay, there's a lots of chart design, but I'm just picking the top one. So simply go to the Canva again and paste chart design. So it depends which type of charts your clients want. So here I am choosing visual charts presentation, and lots of designs are available here. How you can use Canva 30 days trial? Just simply go to the YouTube and write 30 days free trial for Canva and you will easily get that account. So simply pick this, pick the good one for your client, add it and send to your client. Let's go to the fourth one, wordmark logo, and just 303 services available. So simply go to the Canva and write logo, not wordmark, just simply write to the logo. And as you can see, just take example from these logos and make this type of logos for your client like this. So here is too much, like we are seeing here mascot logo, and lots of type of logos are here. So don't be worried about anything. You can take this one for the word mark, and also you can this one, you can also take this one. These are all word mark logos, and you can simply go to the Canva editor and edit more professionally and send it to your client in the PDF format. Let's jump to the fifth one, the last one, wedding setting chart. Again, just 23 services available. You can make it on this gig and you will earn more dollars. Simply go to the canva.com, again paste wedding setting chart and simply click on the drop down list. That's it. We have lots of wedding setting cards design. Simply click on any of them and just edit per as your client requirement. Add their logo, add their colors, add their fonts, add their design as your client want. That's it. Download in the PDF format, PNG or JPG format and send it to your client. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe and comment below if you're facing any problem. Thank you very much.